the Tesla Gigafactory, and I have a story to share. And my story is Elon Musk saved our marriage about a year ago. He did. I want to meet him. I want to hug him. Maybe he can see this video. Somebody who's got connections, share this to him, because here's our story. About a year ago, Bob wanted a Tesla Model Y, and I was opposed to it because I said we are debt free. We're getting a little older. Look at this monstrosity. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to take a tour of it. Hopefully next year. Hopefully next year it'll be up and running for tours for Tesla owners and people interested.
In 1 mile, take exit 449 on
It goes all the way back there.
Austin.
All the way up here.
Well, we're going to have to be taking an exit on the right in 1 mile, and I do want to tell my story. And this is 80 miles an hour, and my story is Bob wanted the Tesla a year ago. I didn't. I said, hey, we have to pay 2/3 cash, 1/3 paid off in 2 years. And so 5 months ago, he bought it. I agreed to it. Hey, you really want it? You did your research. It's a great vehicle. You wanted it. So we got it, and in the course of 5 months of owning it, I only drove it once, and I just wasn't interested. I had contention. It sort of had a little... We had a difficulty in our relationship about it. And then I said, hey, why don't we take a road trip, and I will come to like and appreciate the Tesla. So that's what we are on day 10 of our 11-day road trip, and 5 minutes in, leaving our house, I loved it. This vehicle drives wonderfully. I love it. I want to learn to get even more familiar with it. I might even want the Model 3 someday, because I am a practical small car person, and that's the smallest electric vehicle Tesla has to offer right now. And I'm loving it. So thank you, Elon Musk. Thank you. We hope to meet you. And thank you so much for creating a wonderful vehicle. And we're going to take many more road trips.
In 1,000 feet,